the flute, this is lip slur 2. This is one of the last things that you're going to need to do for the green belt. Now, lip slur 2 begins on a C. Go to B flat, which is in our key signature, then A, 2, G, 3. And now this is our low G, and we go up to the high G. Listen. And I'm going very slow so I can find where do I need to go to place my high G. I'm not going to tongue, and I'm not going to take a breath between the low and the high. And now that time I moved my low to high quicker because I knew where to place my air string. And we've talked about this in a couple of the other videos, finding the right place to put your high note. And this is what this exercise is going to teach us. How do we put a low note to a high note? You do two things. Make your hole smaller and then blow upwards. Now, we're going to do our second one. The notes we have are C, B flat, A, G, and low F. And we're going to go to high F. Now, don't worry so much about the counting. This is more of just something that we're going to practice nice and slow and steady. Each note as pretty as we can make it. I like that one. That one was fun. Now I'm going to go down to E natural. This is going to be E5. Okay, we are not going to be playing E flat. You'll see why in a second. We're just going to be walking our fingers down the flute and stopping on our fifth finger. And now I don't have to work very hard because it goes up really easily. All right? And then the last one, down here, down to our low D. This is the only one that's different. All right, I got distracted there. Going down from E5 to our low D, you need to make sure you lift up your pinky. E5 to low D. Now, to play the high D, we don't have to do anything. We just lift our first finger. And there you have it. The whole point of this is to make it nice and smooth and make the transition from your low to the high easy and at the same volume. That means as you go lower, you must get louder, and as you go high, you just float the high. Power the low to float the high. Play one more time. I'm just going to go through each one.